Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. Today I wanted to sit down and play with the new Jaclyn Hill Palette Volume 2. I'm so excited, and I know this has had mixed feelings, which, believe me, I understand, I get it. She's had a lot of mess ups. I'm trying to keep it PG. And it is hard to trust her for a lot of people, including myself. Honestly, the only reason I picked this up is because it is purples and oranges, which I love to wear. So I figured, if I hate it, I can always return it. But yeah, so if you guys want to see how this palette performs and my thoughts at the end, I've now played with it a couple times. And we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, so I went ahead and already prepped my eyes with some concealer and translucent setting powder. So I'm thinking I want to do a purple and orange look, which you guys have already seen it if you've seen my intro. So I really like that this palette has the shade names on like the actual front of it. And I have already played with this palette, and I really liked it, so can't wait to play with some different shades. I used more of the neutral and pink side yesterday, so today I want to play with the orange, purples, maybe a little bit of yellow. We shall see. So first up, I'm going to dip into the shade Feeling Myself. It is this bright orange up here, and I'm just taking this on a M433 brush from Morphe. And I'm just going to place this in my crease. I'm thinking I want to do orange in my crease and then like purple on my lid. I haven't totally decided. I decided to do my eyes first today just in case I do get fallout. I did it yesterday. I actually did my foundation first like I usually do, and then my eyes yesterday, and I didn't have any fallout, so we shall see. I'm just going to keep blending this out in windshield wiper motions. It's like a really pretty tangerine color, and there isn't a whole lot of kickback in the pan. That doesn't bother me anyways, but just in case it bothers you, I wanted to mention it. So next I want to go in with this orangey red, and it's called My Man. It's like almost honestly does look like an orangey red. I don't know. The other one was more like tangerine pumpkin, I feel like, and then this one is a bit more red in it, which I think will be okay with the purple. I could do a cut crease, but I'm going skiing tonight, and I feel like that's a lot, as I say, as I'm doing purple and orange eyeshadow, but it is what it is. Okay, next I want to go in with my tapered Morphe brush. This is from like a Copper Dream set forever ago, and I think I want to dip in first with Therapy Sesh. It is a lighter purple. Also, while I'm here, how many of you guys are going to be picking up the new Jeffree Star palette? I'm so excited for that. You guys know I like purples, and it's his purple palette. It has some pops of green. I know some people are upset because there's other shades than like just purple, but I'm excited. The green, like there's like an olive shimmer in it, and that shade looks stunning, so I am super thrilled. I'm hoping I can get my hands on it today. Honestly, I'm hoping it's like an easier launch, because I've seen some really mixed feelings on it. I did a poll on my Instagram, and like right now it's almost 50-50. It's really close. So I kind of think a lot of people aren't thrilled with it, which I also think, though, people are waiting on the Shane Dawson restock, so I think that has a little bit to do with it. Next, I'm going to go in with Not My Journey. It is this darker purple down here, and I'm just going to kind of like use that to help deepen things. This palette, I love that it's like purples and oranges, which I think was smart because I think it'll appeal to a lot of people, and I'm sure there's a lot of people out there who are interested but don't want to pick it up until there's some reviews like this out there and things like that, because you never know. So, like, we've had, like, I know other beauty gurus have reviewed it. The only like one I've watched besides Jaclyn's, I think, was like Sam Ravindall's. That was forever ago, I feel like, but I know she said she liked it. I think she did like a pink look or something. So I'm just going back in with the orange, the Feeling Myself. Just make sure I didn't lose any of that. And then I kind of want to take the same brush and go with No Joke. It is the matte yellow in the palette. It is the only like yellow in this palette. So I'm just going to take this and go kind of slightly above that. And then again, I'm going to go in Not My Journey. I like to just kind of make sure I didn't lose anything as I'm blending and building. Alright, so I really like what I have so far. I think this palette, like I said, like so far I have been loving it. I've only used it a couple times, but it's been really good. I like it more personally than her original palette, just because the original, yeah, you can create a lot of looks with it, but I feel like a lot of the colors weren't as bright. They're like more muted, like in person, and the package on this is better, which I know that she redid her packaging on the original as well, but I was one of the people that bought it when it first launched, so it had like the not shiny packaging. It didn't have names anywhere. It was the old like original OG packaging, and I have to say this is like way nicer. I do wish it had a mirror. So next I'm going to dip in. I'm going to do purple all over my lid. First I'm going to go in with Good Place, this one right here. Speaking of Good Place, I need to watch the last season of The Good Place. Someone said it was the last season like ever, so if that's true, I'm gonna be real sad because that show's really funny. So I'm just packing the wet brush all over my lid. I really like that color. I was a little nervous it might be too dark, but if I think it's a little too dark, I can layer with some of the like lighter purples that are in this palette. Now I'm going to go back in with Not My Journey, and I'm just going to use that to help blend out. Kind of thinking I might do winged liner. I wish this edge would blend out a little better, personally. I don't want to sit here for 2 hours trying to blend this. So I might do like a winged liner to help blend it. So in that case, I'm going to take it down just a little more. I'm going to do the other eye real quick, clean it up, and then I will be back. Alright, so I have the rest of my eyes done. For lashes, in case I forget, I'm wearing the Lash Pop in the style Lave Me Baby. This is what the packaging looks like. I think I picked these up at Forever 21, and I actually really like them. I think they're super cute, and they're really comfy. Alright, so now it is time to finish up our eyes. Thinking I'm just going to do like a yellow and orange look on the lower lash line. So I'm going to dip into yellow, that No Joke, first. And just kind of sweep this on my lower lash line. And then next I'm going to dip into the shade Feeling Myself. I'm just really going in with the two oranges that I use. So this one, and then after I will go in with the more red one. I told myself I was going to do really small wings, and you guys see how that looked. Next I'm going to go in my Man, and then it's a like bright tangerine. And I'm just going to focus this again right on that lower lash line. So I need to add some liner. I do not have any more of my black Pat McGrath liner. I still have my black coffee one though, and I'm getting really small. It's becoming a nub. I really need to go to Sephora. So pretty. So I also want to take the Whisper of Guilt and just highlight my inner corner. I've been doing this a lot lately again, and I don't know why, but I can't stop, and I like it. So then I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Alright, I'm going to go pick out a lipstick, and we'll do the outro. Alright, so I went ahead, it took me a minute to find a lipstick. I was going to go more like orangey nude, and then I decided, why not purple? So I went through my lip collection, and I haven't used this in a while. This is the Lipland in liquid lipstick in the shade Luxuria. I'm not good with names. It'll be in the description box down below. But yeah, what do you guys think of this look? I think it turned out pretty good. Honestly, I thought the shadows blended out pretty nicely as well. I have to say, I like this palette better than her original. I just think it's more my colors, and the other one, like I said, I just feel like it's more muted, and then this one has a little bit more like impact, I guess I could say. Plus, there's still, like, your nudes in here. Like, the other colors, like, yeah, it has, like, all your colors, but not all of them are, like, super bright like I personally like to wear. So, I haven't gravitated towards it. I usually only use that palette when I know, like, I want to start rotating through my palette. That is it for this video. It has been, I can't believe it's been 3 weeks since my last video. I'm so sorry. I just did not know what to film. And just like a bunch of like random things have happened. So fill you in like super fast. So Chris and I, our RAV lease ended, so we turned it in and we got a new Corolla. And we were taking it very first time on the highway up to Cheddar's to eat and getting off at the exit, and Chris like nailed a pothole and completely like busted our tire. So we didn't get the tire plan, so we had to fork out $200 to fix that, which breaks my soul. So not been fun. Then I found out I need to have a root canal done, and I've never had one, so I'm a little terrified. I had a crown done once, like just the crown, because I didn't have dental insurance for a couple of years and I chipped my tooth, and it was like too big of a chip for them to just like put a filling in, so they're like, hey, we're just gonna like crown it. So that's what they did, and that was one of the worst, most painful experiences of my life, which this time it's someone else doing it, and they said they're going to use like the laughing gas and stuff, so hopefully it makes it better. They did not use it on me for my crown, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, if there's anything else you guys want me to film, please let me know. I am planning on picking up the Bloodlust palette. I love purples. I know it's going to be like 2 purple videos probably back to back. So hopefully I can get my hands on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure and subscribe to my channel and let me know down below what you guys want to see. It doesn't have to be makeup related. It's just whatever you guys want. Let me know if there's something you're interested in. And be sure and follow me on my Instagram. That is where I'm most active. I post every single day. That's like my favorite social media to use. So yeah. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!